on a good camera. Okay. All right. Y'all on? You on a good camera now? Awesome. Yes, indeed. Yeah. So, what your dress is?
A mashup between Harley Quinn and Spider Silk from Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
So I'm kind of a Marvel DC mashup.
Okay.
So Spidey Quinn.
All right.
I'm going by this weekend.
Spider Quinn.
Spider Quinn.
Spider Quinn. And this is the Red Ranger. And what she dressed as?
He's Beast and she's Raven from Teen Titans.
Teen Titan.
Teen Titans.
Oh, I forgot to watch Teen Titan.
Oh yeah. I watch Teen Titans.
Oh, both of them, huh?
I love Teen Titans. That's a great show.
Okay. All right. Golly, I'm gonna film on 3.
Okay.
I wonder what's the battle with me today. I wonder. Okay. Now. Yep.
Okay.
For video all 3. All right. What y'all want to say?
I don't know. Just say hi. I'm Harley Quinn.
Oh, who that? Okay. All right. So I'm about to stop the tape so I can take a picture of y'all.
Sure.
Okay. All right. I'm about to stop the tape on this one. All right. It's all going on in my archives. I'm gonna stop the tape on this one. Bye. And I'm gonna stop the tape on this one. All right. Bye bye.